Hi, this is Libertas, UCG student accommodation. With 18 floors, it is situated in the north of the city. It is a 20-minute walk to UCG and a 30-minute walk to the main train station, but of course, a lot less time by bike. There is a stunning café on the ground floor and a beautiful church built in 1929 just opposite the building. There are also buses that stop in front with routes to the train station. Let's take a look inside. The first of many amenities is the laundry room. There are 5 washing machines and 5 dryers controlled by the Wash and Go app. Then we have the locked bike shed, with enough space for hundreds of bikes with entry from the street. There is also an outdoor terrace on the first floor that is perfect for the warmer months. Finally, each room comes with its own private bathroom that includes a shower and a toilet with the sink placed outside in the room. The room will be unfurnished, meaning that you will have all the creative liberty to make the room your own. No matter what floor you are on, you will have the most gorgeous of views. The rooms are a part of a unit that can hold up to 8 students. With that, the unit shares the kitchen that comes equipped with stovetops, combo microwaves, fridges, and storage. Make sure to check out our other socials.